Hi, I'm Owen from Square Balloon, and today we're going to talk you through how to separate data when it's in a single cell. So in this case, I've got a list of people's names, and quite commonly I might need to separate this into comma separated values file so that I can upload it to my email system and send these guys information. And it might be that I don't want to call them by their full name. I want to say, hi, Mr. Owen Philip William Oliver. It's a bit too formal, so I might want to say, hi, Owen. So at the moment, everything's in one cell, so it would make it really hard to do that. When we upload it, it would upload it into one field on the email system. So here's how you do that. You go across to data, and then you go to select the entire column that you want to work with, and you go to text to columns, and it's going to say that it's delimited, which is correct. Fixed width would be, say, 3 characters or something like that, which you don't want. So we click next, and it asks what's it delimited by. So what makes it the next bit of data? How do we know it's the next bit of data? Could be a column or a semicolon, depends who supplied your data, but in this case ours is a space. So I'll make sure this space is ticked, which it is, and then when I click, you can see a preview below as well. I'll click next, and then I'll just finish, and you can see it's separated them all nicely. So now if I want to upload this can work. What you should be aware of is what's happened here at the bottom. As Mr. Owen Philip William Oliver, it's now made 4 columns. In that case, you might want to tidy up some of the data yourself, or you might want to, before you start, include headings or something and try and work it out like that. This is very simple. I could just, I could either choose to drag these across here, or I could just delete 2 middle names as no one else has one. And of course I could delete the title, or I could insert a cell and put title in this one, for example. Doesn't matter how you solve that. It'd be up to you guys to work out what you think is the best route forwards. But in this case, you can see that I've managed to tidy up quite easily. If you want to put headings on there, you can do, but this was just a quick tutorial to show you how to split that data in the first place. Afterwards, you might need to do some tidying up. That's just natural if data is not formatted in a consistent way. But Excel can at least help you to get the first part done very, very simply. Thanks for watching.